Haggai chapter 1. In the 2nd year of King Darius, during the 6th month, on the 1st day of the month, the word of the Lord came through the prophet Haggai to Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, who was the governor of Judah, and to Joshua, the son of Josedek, the high priest. The message from the Lord was as follows. The Lord of hosts speaks, and the people are saying, "The time has not yet come for the Lord's house to be rebuilt." Then the word of the Lord came again through Haggai the prophet. Is it time for you to dwell in your well-furnished houses while this house lies in ruins? Now, therefore, says the Lord of hosts, consider your ways. You have sown much, but reaped little. You eat, but you do not have enough. You drink, but you are not filled with drink. You clothe yourselves, but there is none warm, and he who earns wages to put into a bag with holes. Thus says the Lord of hosts. Consider your ways. Go up to the mountain, bring wood, and build the house. Then I will take pleasure in it, and I will be glorified, says the Lord. You looked for much, but it came to little, and when you brought it home, I blew upon it. Why? Says the Lord of hosts. Because of my house that lies waste while every one of you runs to his own house. Therefore, the heavens above you withhold the dew, and the earth withholds its fruit. I called for a drought on the land, on the mountains, on the grain, on the new wine, on the oil, on everything the ground produces, on men and livestock, and on all the labor of your hands. Then Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, and Joshua, the son of Josedek, the high priest, along with all the remnant of the people, obeyed the voice of the Lord their God and the words of the prophet Haggai, as the Lord their God had sent him. And the people feared the Lord. Haggai, the Lord's messenger, delivered the Lord's message to the people, saying, I am with you, says the Lord. The Lord stirred up the spirits of Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, the governor of Judah, and Joshua, the son of Josedek, the high priest, as well as the spirits of all the remnant of the people. They came and worked on the house of the Lord of hosts, their God. This occurred on the 24th day of the 6th month, in the 2nd year of King Darius. Haggai chapter 2. On the 21st day of the 7th month, the word of the Lord came through the prophet Haggai, saying, Speak now to Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, who is the governor of Judah, and to Joshua, the son of Josedek, the high priest, and to the rest of the people, saying, Who among you remembers this house in its former glory? How do you see it now? Is it not in your eyes like nothing in comparison? But now, Zerubbabel, says the Lord, be strong, and Joshua, son of Josedek, the high priest, be strong, along with all you people of the land, for I am with you, says the Lord of hosts. This is in accordance with the covenant I made with you when you came out of Egypt, and my spirit remains among you. Do not fear. For thus says the Lord of hosts, Once more, it is a little while, and I will shake the heavens, the earth, the sea, and the dry land. I will shake all nations, and the desire of all nations shall come, and I will fill this house with glory, says the Lord of hosts. The silver is mine, and the gold is mine, says the Lord of hosts. The glory of this latter house shall be greater than that of the former, says the Lord of hosts. And in this place I will give peace, says the Lord of hosts. On the 24th day of the 9th month, in the 2nd year of King Darius, the word of the Lord came again through Haggai the prophet, saying, Thus says the Lord of hosts, Ask the priest concerning the law, saying, If someone carries holy flesh in the skirt of his garment and touches bread, stew, wine, oil, or any food with it, does it become holy? The priest answered, No. Then Haggai asked, If someone who is unclean due to contact with a dead body touches any of these things, does it become unclean? The priest answered, It shall be unclean. Haggai responded, So is this people, and so is this nation before me, says the Lord, and so is every work of their hands, and that which they offer is unclean. Now consider from this day and upward, from before a stone was laid upon a stone in the temple of the Lord. From those days, when one came to a heap of 20 measures, there were only 10. When one came to the winepress to draw out 50 vessels, there were only 20. I struck you with blight, mildew, and hail in all the work of your hands, yet you did not turn to me, says the Lord. Now consider from this day and upward, from the 24th day of the 9th month, from the day when the foundation of the Lord's temple was laid. Consider it. Is the seed still in the barn? As yet the vine, the fig tree, the pomegranate, and the olive tree have not yielded their fruit. But from this day I will bless you. Then the word of the Lord came again to Haggai on the 24th day of the month, saying, Speak to Zerubbabel, the governor of Judah, saying, I will shake the heavens and the earth. I will overthrow the throne of kingdoms, and I will destroy the strength of the kingdoms of the nations. I will overthrow the chariots and those who ride in them, and the horses and their riders shall come down, each one by the sword of his brother. In that day, says the Lord of hosts, I will take you, O Zerubbabel, my servant, the son of Shealtiel, says the Lord, and I will make you like a signet ring, for I have chosen you, says the Lord of hosts.